Today we're comparing two powerful flagships, the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Nubia Z80 Ultra. Category by category, each point earns a bingo winner. Let's get started. Performance. The Nubia Z80 Ultra runs the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with configuration options up to 24 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. The iPhone 17 Pro Max uses the A19 Pro chip with industry-leading single-core and GPU performance. Bingo, iPhone. Display, Nubia. 6.85-inch AMOLED, 144 Hz, approximately 2000 nits peak brightness. iPhone. 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED, 120 Hz ProMotion, approximately 3000 nits peak. Bingo, iPhone. Camera, Nubia Z80 Ultra. Main sensor, 50 megapixel, ultra-wide, 50 megapixel, telephoto, 64 megapixel, optical zoom, up to 5 times, strong manual photography controls. iPhone 17 Pro Max, triple 48 megapixel setup, wide plus ultra-wide plus telephoto, 8 times optical quality zoom, 8K video recording with advanced stabilization for versatility and video performance. Bingo, iPhone. Battery and charging. Nubia Z80 Ultra. Battery, approximately 7,200 mAh. Wired fast charging, 90 watts. Wireless fast charging, 30 watts. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Battery, around 4,800 mAh. Wired charging, approximately 45 watts. Wireless MagSafe, 20 to 25 watts. For capacity and charging speed, bingo, Nubia. Software and ecosystem. Nubia, Android experience with full customization flexibility. iPhone, iOS with long-term updates and seamless ecosystem integration. Bingo, iPhone. Value for money. Nubia focuses on maximum specs per dollar. iPhone leads in premium refinement and resale value. Bingo, Nubia. Final verdict. If you prioritize battery size, charging speed, and high refresh display, the Nubia Z80 Ultra offers outstanding value. If you want the best camera results, performance efficiency, and long-term ecosystem reliability, the iPhone 17 Pro Max remains the stronger choice. Before buying your next phone, remember, check our channel first. We help you choose smart and save money. Subscribe for honest comparisons and real-world results.